I'm very much slacking on blogging processes because I just get in the zone and I just forget to, film the whole thing. I wanted so I have a corner of my bathroom on the counter that has all my perfume and stuff. It's not very much, but I have it on a tray that takes up like more than 3/4 of the counter, so I'd like to have that space. So I was going to get one from Target. It was only 15 bucks, so it wasn't bad at all, and it was on sale. Like a 2-tiered tray that was going to fit in the back corner. And I've been in a DIY mood. I've been watching a bunch of DIY stuff, and I just really wanted to try to make it. So I would love it if it was a Lazy Susan so I could spin it. So I found some ideas about how to DIY a Lazy Susan and make it 2-tiered. So I went to Dollar Tree because, they're like revamped and killing it. But I got, you can't see it, whoops, under here, that is a burner cover. It came in a set of the big one and the small one, and I got 2 of those. So one of them, the two big ones are sitting in there. I don't want to lift this up because the glue is drying right now, but I'll show you when I can pick it up. So I have some marbles that I actually already have that I didn't have to get in the bottom one. I hot glued the second one in there to this little cake tray that I found. And then these are 2 candle holders. And I thought I'd jazz it up a little bit by adding there's some pearls under there and in there I already had, so I just decided to put that in there. And I painted that one because the underside was not, it has a message on it. And I just wanted it all white, so I painted that, and then I just glued this on there, and I glued that on there, waiting for those to dry. And then I'm going to try to put some marbles in here and then put this on the top to see if I want to make that a Lazy Susan. So it's coming along really well. I'm super happy. I'm super excited to when I can finally try it out. I probably won't be able to do that until tomorrow night because I need to let this glue dry before I put anything on it. But yeah, I just thought I'd show that because I'm super excited. I'll come back and show the finishing product when I can lift it up and show you the marbles and all that and spin it. I don't think it's completely dry yet, but it's dry enough to where I can at least pick this up. So that is what it looks like underneath. Just some marbles. This one I didn't paint because it's not going to be seen. And there's the Lazy Susan. Woo! This top one's still drying. However, if I do Lazy Susan on the top, these are the other marbles that I have left. They work just fine. So we would use these. I'm not sure if I want to yet. If I did, it would just be to give it some extra stability with my items. But we'll see. More flat. But if I did, that would be it. So that is the finished product. Super happy with it. I can't wait to start using it. I'll probably have to troubleshoot a couple times whether I want to use the top as a Lazy Susan or just leave it as is. But I'm super happy with it. I've already tried, before I put this together, I tried it in the space and it fits perfectly. So super excited that this worked out. And I'm actually thinking of making one for my kitchen as well. But it wouldn't look like this. It would just be a more simplified version. And I have a corner that I want to put it in, but I need a bigger base. So I'll have to use like a pizza pan or something bigger than this. Can also work in pantry, in the cabinets. So I don't know. I might experiment and see what other ones I can make for whatever other spaces, for more space.